When we think about hypercars, we usually think about Bugatti, Lamborghini, Ferrari, McLaren, etc. And most of the time, these cars are fuel powered, or some of them a hybrid, like the Holy Trinity. But have you ever heard of a fully electric hypercar? Or have you ever heard of the company called Rimac? In this video, I am going to give you guys a complete information about the company Rimac and their latest creation, the Navara, the ultimate hypercar. Rimac Automobile is a Croatian car manufacturer founded by Mate Rimac back in 2009. He created an electric version of his own BMW E30 M3, but he felt like that wasn't enough for him, so he gathered a team of experts to develop their own components like drivetrain, motors, etc., as he believed that electric propulsion could give much more power compared to what was available in the market. Now, let's get on to the main topic, the Navara. The Navara is the successor of the company's previous model, the Concept 1, which holds the title for the fastest electric car, or you can say the fastest accelerating electric car. And now this car is much more powerful than the previous car. The name Navara comes from a Croatian word for sudden and short storms, usually accompanied by lightning, which occurs primarily along the Croatian Adriatic coast. Navara, which was previously named as Concept 2 or styled as Concept_2, was unveiled at the March 2018 Geneva Motor Show with a top speed of 412 km per hour and a power output of 1914 horsepower and 2360 Newton meters of torque. If I compare this car to the fastest car in the world, that is the Bugatti Chiron can reach 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and this car is claimed to be capable of accelerating to 100 km per hour from a standstill in just 1.85 seconds, making it potentially the one of the fastest electric car ever made. In my opinion, the fastest car ever made. It is also the highest top speed electric production car ever. Now, I will tell you guys why this car is so much powerful. The structural strength of the Navara comes from its biggest carbon fiber monocoque core weighing only about 200 kgs, which reduces a lot of weight. This car is powered by 4 H-shaped liquid-cooled electric motors capable of producing 1.4 megawatt of power, which is about 1914 horsepower. The battery forms an integral part of the car's core, adding 37% of the structural stiffness. Due to its battery placement, this car benefits with an ultra-low center of gravity, giving the best possible weight distribution. The 4 bespoke, permanent magnet oil-cooled electric motor powers Navara's 4 wheels individually, capable of instantly delivering maximum torque at 0 RPMs. Navara's motors are 97% efficient and maintenance-free throughout its operating life. The front and the rear wheels are each connected to a pair of single-speed gearbox, which enables Navara to lay down its maximum level of torque individually to each wheels. Now, you must be thinking that it's an electric car, so what will be its range? According to the company, the maximum range of the Navara is about 647 kilometers, 402 miles. This car is also claimed to be capable of completing 2 consecutive laps at the Nürburgring with a negligible drop in performance. Rimac claimed this car was designed to be very durable and could be driven hard on both the roads and the track. Now let's talk about the special features. This car is technologically capable of 4 levels of autonomous driving with fully advanced driver assistance system and is unlocked using a face recognition technology. If connected to a fast charger, it can be recharged to 80% in less than 30 minutes. This car features an entirely new design and does away with all the conventional doors, now incorporating the butterfly doors. It also has a fire extinguisher in the back held in by a leather strap embossed with the words "In case of hill climb, extinguish fire," a special reference to the show called The Grand Tour hosted by Richard Hammond, who crashed a Concept 1 during a hill climb, causing it to catch on fire. And mind you, only 8 Concept 1s were ever produced. The hypercars are known for its hefty price tag, and this car is no exception. This car is priced at around $2.45 million, and only 150 Rimac Navaras will ever be produced. So that is it for today guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure to give this video a like, share this video to your friends and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.